Welcome! This is just a short update on the two YouTube channels, PowerBasic for Beginners and Custom PC Hardware, and a big thank you to all the subscribers and viewers of these channels for all their support. In addition to the GSF software website, where the source code for the software projects can be downloaded, I've now set up a GitHub repository, which will be referenced in the description of the individual videos, plus on the GSF software website page to ensure the code is always available. I'll be backfilling each of the older video descriptions with these links over the next week or so. GitHub has also many additional features that I will be exploring. I had been uploading the videos for the hardware channel and some of the console compiler videos to the Cocoscope site as an alternative to YouTube. However, it doesn't look like this gained much interest in either channel, so I'll be concentrating on YouTube from now on. The hardware channel has benefited greatly from the videos on the Odroid H2 Plus computers, and I'll be sure to do more videos on this platform. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.